The rally racers in the next feature have only 2 days to prove what they're made of. Benita Rahimi tells us it's not just speed that matters. Power is also important. The vehicles and the drivers.
What the rally racers love the most isn't just speed, it's the power and the strength of their cars. We're in Avon-Acqua, not far from the Semnon Highway.
These events gather off-road enthusiasts with auto mechanic knowledge and encourage them to take mechanical engineering to a whole new level. These cars pack a powerful punch with 100 to 400 horsepower engines.
این پیست به صورت طبیعی طراحی شده و هر ماشین استانداردی نمیتونه تو این پیست رانندگی کنه، به خاطر اینکه ماشینا الان همه حرفه‌ای اند، دستکاری شدن و برای این کار ساخته شدن.
In off-road races like this, it's man against nature.
This isn't just a sport, it's a social event as well.
You can't compete in events like this if you don't obey the safety regulations. Your car has to have a roll cage, standard seat belts, a fire extinguisher, a petrol tank that won't leak under all that pressure, and of course a safety helmet.
What the judges are looking for is skill and maneuvering tough terrains, and to do that the drivers mustn't lose their heads. This is where 140 rally racers are going to be competing in the next 2 days. After a challenging day for the drivers and the cars, now is the time for winding down and recharging their batteries for tomorrow's race.
هر کدوم از این مسابقات کلی خاطره میذاره، به خاطر اینکه بچه‌هایی که توی مسابقات شرکت میکنن از تقریبا میشه از گوشه کنار ایران هستن و هر کدومشون کلی احساس، کلی انرژی و کلی عشق دارن، به خاطر اینکه ماشیناشون رو درست میکنن، میسازن با هزینه خودشون تا بیان توی این مسابقات شرکت کنن، حالا چه مقام بیارن چه نیارن.
دوستان حرفه‌ایمون از اقصی نقاط ایران اومدن و شرکت کردن. حادثه داشتیم، 2 تا ماشین چپ شدن، ولی خوشبختانه حادثه جانی نداشتیم. همه خوشبختانه به خط پایان رسیدن. حالا بعضی از ماشینا هم خراب شدن، ولی خب اینا نمک این مسابقاته.
It's not just the race that attracts the people of all ages to this sport, it's what happens on the sidelines as well. Like they sit around the bonfire, sip tea and talk about what they did today. The drivers went and had a round in the city and they're going to get ready for the finals.
مسابقات با 60 ماشین شروع شد در روز اول. در بین اینا 18 ماشین به مرحله بعدی رسیدن که امروز فینالش هست. در 3 کلاس 4 کلاس برگزار میشه. 4 6 8 سیلندر در دیروز انجام شد و کلاس آزاد امروزه که قهرمانان از اکثر نقاط کشور هستند. مسابقه چند جانبه است.
If you're not into dust and dirt, this is definitely not the sport for you. By the time this is over, we're going to be caked in sand.
And that's the end of another great race. I'm Benita Rahimi for Iran. Hope to see you next time.